Hey everyone, welcome back to the Forex Muse. Today, we're diving into a big question that's on the minds of many aspiring traders. Can you achieve trading mastery in just 30 days? It's an ambitious goal, and we're going to break it down step by step to see what's really possible. So stick around and let's get started. Before we jump in, let's define what trading mastery means. It's not just about raking in profits, it's about understanding the markets, building solid strategies, managing risks like a pro, and developing the right mindset to stay in the game. Today, we'll explore each of these areas and figure out how much progress you can make in just 30 days. First up, understanding the markets. To trade effectively, you need to know the playing field, things like stocks, Forex, commodities, and crypto. Plus, you've got to get a handle on market trends, economic indicators like interest rates or GDP, and how global events move prices. So, can you learn all that in 30 days? Honestly, it's a lot to take in. But here's the good news. With dedication and the right resources, like online courses, books, or even free YouTube tutorials, you can absolutely build a solid foundation. Will you know everything? No way. Markets are deep and ever-changing, but 30 days can give you a strong start. Next, let's talk strategies. Trading isn't a one-size-fits-all game. There's day trading, swing trading, options, long-term investing, the list goes on. Each strategy comes with its own rules and skills. In 30 days, trying to master all of these would be overwhelming. But focusing on one, that's doable. For example, you could spend your 30 days learning technical analysis for day trading stocks, use paper trading, where you practice without real money, or dip your toes in with small real trades. It's a smart way to test your skills without risking the farm. Now here's where things get serious, risk management. This is the backbone of trading. Without it, even the best strategy can wipe you out. It's all about protecting your capital. Think position sizing, setting stop loss orders, and diversifying your trades. The basics of risk management, you can learn those pretty fast. A simple rule like never risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade can be a game changer. But here's the catch. Applying it consistently takes practice. In 30 days, you can grasp the concepts, but mastering them, that's a longer road. All right, let's talk about the mental game, trading psychology. This is the make or break factor for so many traders. It's about discipline, keeping your emotions in check, and not letting a bad loss push you into revenge trading. Can you master your mindset in 30 days? Well, you can definitely start. Habits like keeping a trading journal or reflecting on your decisions can set you on the right path. But true emotional control, especially after a big win or loss, takes time and real-world experience. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So are there any real-world examples of people hitting trading mastery in 30 days? You've probably seen ads for trading challenges or boot camps promising quick success. Some participants do make money fast, but here's the reality. Most seasoned traders say it took them years to get consistently profitable. A 30-day program can teach you a ton and maybe even net you some wins, but mastery, that's a higher bar. It's about experience, not just knowledge. So, let's wrap this up. Is trading mastery possible in 30 days? Honestly, probably not. Mastery means expertise honed over time. But don't let that discourage you. In 30 days, you can build a strong foundation, learn the markets, pick a strategy, nail down risk management, and start shaping your mindset. Trading's a journey, not a race. With consistent effort and a willingness to keep learning, those 30 days can kickstart your path to success. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more trading tips. Drop a comment below. Have you ever tried a 30-day trading challenge? What was your experience? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.